Welcome back to my channel, and today I have Ipsy versus Boxycharm for the month of October, guys. So Ipsy did like a revamp. If you can see, don't mind my nails in this video please, but if you can see, Ipsy like revamped their packaging, and they also have come up with new subscription services. Boxy's doing the same thing as well. Ipsy now has like an Ipsy Ultimate or something like that, and I don't know exactly how much it is, but it's more than this. It brings more products. And I believe that Boxycharm is going to be doing the same thing. They're doing like a premium. So it's like all these like different names and all this stuff. But I am liking the new packaging for Ipsy. I think it's super cute. So by demand of some friends of mine, they want me to open Ipsy first. So I'm going to do that this month. So it says discover yourself. So the theme for October, as we can see, is discover yourself. You see the little hashtag down there, and then we have all of our products here. All right, so the first thing in here is from Gold Fatten MD solution, and this is Doctor's Scrub, and this is a microderm exfoliator, and it says it's for dull complexion. Now this retails for $38, and this has 1.7 fluid ounces in it. Next thing in here is from Jolie, and this is a Spectra stick. That's what it says, and it's in the color Stella. And it says it's named after the French word for pretty. Jolie creates one-of-a-kind, high-quality products that inspire confidence. And this values at $26. I'm still not exactly sure what this is, though. Like a highlighting stick or something? Yes, this is a highlighting stick. So this is what it looks like. This is like a little... This is what it looks like. I really do like the rose gold and white packaging. I do like that. And you bring it out, and it's rose gold here. And let's go ahead and swatch this and see. Oh, this is a beautiful highlight. Look at that. I think this can even be used as an eyeshadow. Yeah. Next thing in here is from Jules Smith Beauty, and these are some lip glosses, and they're called Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. That's what they look like. So we will swatch them. These are valued at $32. Ooh, I like this one. This one I like. This one is... Oh my god, why doesn't it tell you which one? Okay, so this one is Namaste All Day, and this one is Serene Queen. Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. They're both so pretty. And this is valued at $32, like I mentioned before. Next thing in here is from Betty Boop. And, oh, is this like an extra thing? This is not really on my list. Now I don't remember if I like ordered an extra. I might have. I might have ordered an extra, and this is, what is this? I don't even know what this is. From Betty Boop and Ipsy. They collaborated. And I feel like this was one of my add-ons for like $3, but I can't remember what this is. It's probably like a lip topper or something, because it's like clear. You see, clear with like a little bit of sparkle. I hope you can see that. A teeny bit of sparkle, but it's not like, I don't know, it's weird. It doesn't say anything either. Next thing in here is from Betty Boop as well, and this is the Cheek to Cheek blush palette. How many of you remember Betty Boop? I wasn't a huge fan, but she was cute. So this is the packaging for the Betty Boop. And it has a nice mirror and these beautiful blush colors. Can you see that? They're so pretty. I'm gonna swatch them because I do like this palette. So let's first swatch on the fingers. Can you see those three? So those are the three colors right there. Let's see if you guys can see this. Those are the three colors right there. They're so pretty. I like them. This is valued at $28. Next thing in here is some brushes. These are Farrah brushes, and this is the Midnight Pro Trio, and it includes the Straight to Buff foundation brush, the Cheeky End 218 for blush, and a stippling one for highlighter or bronzer. So I'm not going to open these because if you guys see the arsenal of brushes that I have, it's insane. I love getting brushes, but I already have too many. So I'm going to keep these for a giveaway for you guys. So that's that. And the last thing in here, they included a little bag. This is like full of sequins, and it is a Betty Boop bag as well. So that's very cute, and I do like the little heart, the little hanging heart there. So that's what we got in our Ipsy. We got the Cheek to Cheek blush palette. We got the Dr. Scrub. We also got the 2 lip glosses. We also got the little stick, the highlighting stick. And we got the Farrah brushes. So this was a really, really good box for Ipsy. Now let's move on to Boxy. And let's see what we got in our Boxy this month. So the theme for this month is, what is the theme? I don't see a theme. After Dark. And I know they have a lot of variations now. This is variation number 10 is the one that I got. So first thing in here is from Tarte, and this is the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. I saw Blushing Birdie use this. What color is this in? This is in the color Stunner. I think I got the same color as her. It's a liquid highlight. It is kind of, it's really pretty, like it's a champagne-y color. If you can even see that there. That's it there. It's a champagne-y color, and that it retails $29. I think I got the exact same box that she got. This is the Luna by Luna eyeliner. And how much is this? This is $16, and I got like this bluish, light blue color. I don't know if I should open this and like just swatch it. Maybe I should. That's the eyeliner color right there. It's like a very, very light, like icy blue type of color. Next thing in here is from Touch and Soul, and this is a glassy skin balm, and it says Pretty Filter. And I believe this is like a type primer type of thing. That's what she said. She said it's more watery than what she thought. The packaging is super cute. Of course, I'm not using any of this stuff. This retails for $32. This is it inside, and that's what it looks like. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys saw that. So we'll see if I use it, if I like it. I'll let you guys know. Next thing in here is from Iconic London, and this is, where are we? Oh, Lip Plumping Gloss, and this retails for $26. Let's see, I don't think this has like a color or anything. This is it over here. And last thing in here, which I'm most excited about, is the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. And there were, I believe, 5 different ones, or I don't remember how many different ones. This is a 5-pan palette, and I got it in Marvelous Mauves. And I've always been wanting this because they're really, really pretty, like purpley mauvey colors. It's a super cute palette, perfect for traveling. Brings its brush, and then these are the colors. Those are the colors, and I'm gonna swatch them real quick for you just on my fingers so you can kind of see what the colors are. So we've got Wine Stain right here, Spaced Out, Wishy Washy, Rosy, and Fluffy. Those are the 5 colors. I've seen beautiful looks done with this palette, so I'm like really excited about it because of it. So I'm super excited about this palette, like super excited. So for Boxycharm, we got the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves palette. We got the Touch and Soul. Where's all this stuff? Like everything is thrown everywhere. We got the Touch and Soul Balm. We've got the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. We have the Tardiest highlight, and we also have this. Now, this was very difficult for me because just because of this palette, I absolutely love the Boxycharm. Everything else, I'm not really excited about. Ipsy, however, on the other hand, I am probably the most excited about the Cheek to Cheek palette, just like I'm most excited about the eyeshadow palette with Boxy. So for me, this is kind of like a tie, but since I always say that I have to pick one, I'm gonna go with Ipsy this month because the only thing I'm excited about in Boxycharm is this palette. Everything else I could have done without. With the Ipsy box, I'm excited about the Cheek to Cheek palette. The brushes are always amazing. I just have too many, but the brushes are always amazing. I really liked the lip glosses, and even the highlight stick looks amazing. This one right here. So I'm definitely giving it to Ipsy this month. So Ipsy is on a roll. I'm telling you guys, like Ipsy has been doing so well with these beauty battles that I don't know where that's gonna leave Boxy, but I love both. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves. Hi. Hey, guys, so I just forgot another add-on that I had added to my Ipsy box, and it's also from Betty Boop. Hold on, I want to show you the cover. I forgot that I had added this. This was another one of my add-ons also with this lip gloss thing. And look how cute it is with the lips. Oh my god, I loved it. Is nice. And this is a lipstick, and it's called Mauve Baby, and I knew I was gonna love this. And look how pretty this is, and I'm gonna show you the color right now because I did swatch it. It's like my typical colors that I like. So that's it right there. So I'm glad I got this, and this was just $3 for me, so just like this. So I was like, okay, I have to get it. All right, guys, love you guys. Bye. Bye.